What is Arduino UNO? Arduino UNO is a small programmable electronic board. It works like a small computer. When we write a program, Arduino performs tasks according to that program. Examples: turn an LED light on and off, run a motor, read data from sensors, control a robot. Key features of Arduino UNO. Arduino UNO is an open source hardware platform. This means the design is publicly available. Anyone can study, modify, and use it. People all over the world build projects using Arduino. Because of this openness, Arduino has a very large community of learners and developers. What is the brain of Arduino? Inside the Arduino UNO, there is a microcontroller named ATmega328P. This microcontroller is the brain of the board. The program we write is stored and executed inside this chip. Main parts of Arduino UNO. First one, digital pins. These pins are used to connect different devices such as LED, button, relay, motor driver. These pins send on-off signals only. Second one, analog pins. These pins are used to read data from sensors such as temperature sensor, light sensor, gas sensor. They read values from 0 to 1023. USB port, used for connecting Arduino to a computer, uploading programs, supplying power to the board. Power pins, used to supply power to Arduino and other components. There are different power pins such as 5 volt, 3.3 volt, GND, VIN. Reset button, used to restart the Arduino program. What can we do with Arduino? Some projects that can be made using Arduino are robot car, smart home system, automatic plant watering system, temperature monitoring system, line follower robot, Bluetooth controlled devices, IR obstacle detection robot. Arduino UNO technical details. Microcontroller ATmega328P, operating voltage 5 volt, digital pins 14, analog pins 6, flash memory 32 kV, clock speed 16 MHz. Components commonly used with Arduino. For Arduino projects, we commonly use LED, resistor, breadboard, jumper wire, sensors, motor driver, servo motor. Why is Arduino popular? Arduino is popular because it is low cost, easy to program, beginner friendly, supports many sensors and modules, has a large global community. Benefits of learning Arduino. By learning Arduino, it becomes easier to study electronics, robotics, IoT, embedded systems. Types of memory in Arduino UNO. Arduino UNO has 3 types of memory. Flash memory, 32 KB, stores the program permanently. SRAM, 2 KB, stores temporary data while the program is running. EEPROM, 1 KB, stores data that remains even when the power is turned off. PWM pins. Arduino UNO has PWM, pulse width modulation pins. PWM pins 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11. These pins allow you to control LED brightness, control motor speed. PWM works by sending signals that stimulate analog output. Communication methods. Arduino can communicate with other devices using several protocols. Serial communication, used to communicate with a computer through the USB connection. I2C communication, used for connecting sensors and displays. Main pins, SDA and SCL. SPI communication, used for high-speed communication with devices. Pins, MOSI, MISO, SCK, and SS. Power supply methods. Arduino UNO can be powered in different ways. USB cable from a computer, DC adapter, VIN. Arduino libraries. Arduino provides libraries to make programming easier. Libraries contain ready-made code for controlling components, example, LCD displays, servo motors, Wi-Fi modules, sensors. Using libraries reduces coding effort. Arduino versus microcontroller. Arduino UNO is a development board. The main chip inside it is the ATmega328P microcontroller. Using only a microcontroller requires extra components, complex setup. Arduino boards make development much easier for beginners. Fields where Arduino is used. Arduino is widely used in many areas such as robotics, home automation, IoT, industrial automation, educational projects, prototype development. What is Arduino IDE? Programs for Arduino are written using Arduino IDE. Arduino IDE is a software application used to write, compile, and upload programs to Arduino boards. This software allows users to write program, compile the code, upload the program to the Arduino board. Arduino IDE works on Windows, Mac OS, Linux. Why do we use Arduino IDE? Arduino IDE helps us to write codes, check the code for errors, upload the program to the Arduino board, view data from sensors using the serial monitor. Main parts of Arduino IDE. Code editor. This is the area where we write the program. Verify button. Used to check the program for errors before uploading. Upload button. Used to send the program to the Arduino board. Serial monitor. Used to display data sent from the Arduino board to the computer. How Arduino works. Arduino works in 3 steps. Step 1. Write a program on the computer using Arduino IDE software. Step 2. Upload the program to the Arduino board using a USB cable. Step 3. The Arduino board runs the program and controls all connected devices. Simple steps to use Arduino IDE. Open Arduino IDE on the computer. Write a code. Connect the Arduino board to the computer using a USB cable. Click the upload button. The program will run on the Arduino board. Arduino programming language. The Arduino programming language is based on C or C++. It is designed to be simple for beginners. Example, LED blinking program. This is the code for an LED blinking program. For the next video, we will learn how to create an LED blinking circuit using Arduino. Thank you.